And I've got a lovely bunch of IronDrake hand sanitizer. There they are standing in a row. Big ones, small ones, squirty ones and pumpy ones. I've got a lovely bunch of hand sanitizer. The first one off the ranks coming through. IronDrake hand sanitizer to you, my friends, you know. I've got a lovely tub of hand sanitizer. Here it is filling in a row.
What's going on here, Mikey?
Ladies and gentlemen, the first bottle of IronDrake hand sanitizer off the rank. For those lucky individuals that I come to see for a bid, I'll leave one of these for the office, and you know I will come and see ya. So you get me with a bottle of IronDrake hand sanitizer, and you can pump and squirt to your heart's content.